Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you are all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. If you're watching and you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure you subscribe to watch more of my amazing recipes. Now in today's video I am doing Oriental cooking chicken pilau ya kuku, and this is everything that I will need. I have salt. I also have soy sauce. I have tomato paste. I have my chopped onions and pilau masala. This is a must. A cooking oil, and lastly my chicken. And also I have some crushed garlic and ginger. This is also a must. And my rice. This is just local rice. Oh, and this is the soy sauce that I have just used. So as usual, heat your sufuria, put the oil, and then you put your onions. So I'm going to be frying this for about a minute. So at this point we add our ginger and garlic, give it a nice stir. So you see it turning to golden brown. So now the next thing I will do after my onions have turned to brown, I will add in my chicken. Okay, I hope you're together up to this point. So I'm just going to turn this and cover it for about 1 minute. This is broiler chicken, by the way. It cooks very fast. So I'll add in my spices, my tomato paste, pilau masala, soy sauce, like that, everything. Then I'm going to cover it again to cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. You can see there, very nice color. So the next step we're going to do, we are going to add in our rice. Remember, I've already washed my rice. Make sure you wash your rice like 2 times. Okay. Add in your rice, give it a quick stir. And add in your water. So this is 1.5 cup of rice, so I just used 3 cups of water. Again, give it a quick stir. So what I normally do, I usually leave my rice open, that is uncovered. Now when the water goes down just a little bit, that's when I cover it now to cook on spoon. You can see everything is turning out very nice. And then I put off my heat. You can see the pilau is already looking good, smelling nice. I'm telling you, the aroma is out of this world. And there you go, I've served my pilau. You can, if you have kachumbari, good for you, or avocado. Bye.